So once you know that, how can we add the data to our databases and our collection in MongoDB? Um, Now I'll add the real world data that we play with this for the whole courses in 219 or 102. Of course, this is the COVID-19. Again, we will go to the data.go.th, and then I think you know already known how can be retrieve this one. And if you don't know, okay, we can go to the, I'm sorry for the guys who cannot understand, but you can click on this one, the main page, and then that'll be the hottest data, that is the COVID-19 report in Thailand. And then you can copy the link here. There's a CSV. You can copy the link address, and then uh, because this take very long time, and I think it's not so complicated, so I show you the source code that already ran. Here you can see that I use the wget to get the data. You can pass the link that you copied from the website data.go.th, and then once you execute this line, it will download the file, and then just open it using the read CSV one. And guys, you have to change something first. That is the date, that I want it to be the actual date time, not the string. So I'll add it here by using the pd to date time, df announce date, and don't forget to use day first here. It's true. And then it's very simple. If you have the data frame like this, you can use insert many and change or convert your data frame into the dictionary using toDict. But the main or the layout of the data that you have to convert is you have to use two records. So I've already uploaded this one to our MongoDB, and then but I'll show you what is it. And here you can see that this one, when you convert the data frame into the dictionary using the option records, there are many options, like the record or the default option that is no parameter. So you can see that it will be the one that we want, that is the list of the dictionary. Here for one record it will be converted into a dictionary, and it put it together in a list. Okay, so it will be a list of dictionaries or the list of the records. And so it's very easy, right? If you convert it to the dictionary or the list of the dictionaries to be the data, so you can insert using this function insert many. And once you insert everything to your data, to your database, this is what you can see. Guys, at first you should clear your database first, because in this database, can you see we have we have 850. Okay, so 850 here, 850,000 so documents, and the size is 327 megabytes. So guys, is quite large. And if you have the sample database in this collection, you cannot store all of them, so you have to clear. The way that you can clear is you can hover your mouse here, and you can see the bin here. Just click it and type the name of the database that you want to delete. Okay, so in my case, I use this one. I delete everything and use COVID-19 here. So once you can, after you insert many or insert all documents here, I want you to see the charts, and you can do a lot of things here, and I'll show you some query. This is the first time that we use query in the MongoDB. I cleared dashboards. So here everything, we don't have the dashboard yet, and we don't have the data sources yet. At first, you have to add the data source here, and then click your cluster, that is cluster 0, and then click next, and you see that you have the COVID-19 here in the cluster 0, and then click finish. That's all. You will get your database here like as a data source. Once you click the data source, now we can go back to the dashboard. Here, this menu, you can click on the dashboard, and here now I'll add a dashboard. I'll use the name of the dashboard to be our daily report. And then once you click it, just wait, and then you see here your graph will be like loading here, and now you have to add a chart to your dashboard. The way that you can add the chart is quite simple. You can click here, add the chart, and then I'll use the line chart here. Okay, and I choose the data source to be our daily confirmed cases here, and then you see that we have the the sampling data here, and you can see that all fields are listed here. So I will plot the chart. Can you see here? This is the announced date, and it is in our calendar. What does it mean? It means that this is already converted into the data, that is the date and times already. So it's okay now. I will put it here in the x-axis, and I don't use the binning because I want it to show all data. Okay, and then I use count of ID in the y-axis. So that's all. Now your charts are already here. Can you see? This is the total case in daily confirmed cases. Okay, so you can see that here I record this video on October 6th, so you can see that it's around 9,800. Okay, so this one is the first chart, so you can save it here. And then, oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to change the title of the chart, so I would like to change it here. I use daily confirmed cases. Okay, and save it. So once you save it, it will be listed in your working area here. That is, you can see your chart, and it will next refresh in an hour. This is good, right? So you can write the program anywhere else, and then upload the database, and your chart will be updated here. The next chart, I will show you how can we use the query. You can click here, and you can see that we have the more options, and I will duplicate the chart here. Duplicate the chart, and then you see in this case, because Bangkok is the area that has the most number, the highest number of the confirmed cases, so I will show just only in Bangkok. Guys, the way that you can use, or you can filter, or you can query the data is you have to put your query in a dictionary. For example, I want you to province of isolation. This is the name of our field, right? And I will select for only Krung Thep. Mahanakon or Bangkok. For our foreigner friends, I'm very sorry that maybe you can copy the name of this province, and once you finish, you can close and apply. And once you finish, you see that your chart is updated, and the number now is will be for only the province of isolation, that is Bangkok. That's all. Wow, nice, right? Okay, so I'll keep it here. Okay, finish for Bangkok, and I add, oh, a moment, I forgot to change the title to be like here for Bangkok. Okay, then I save it. That's all. And then I'll show you another one that I will duplicate the chart in Bangkok to show you the data in Bangkok again, but this time I will show the categories. Here I will use the risk to be our categories. So you can drag the risk and then put it in the categories, and then now you can see that we have the all risk listed here, and you can see that we have the close contact. This is much lower than before, and here this one is other reasons, and this one is like their active detection something, and then in this in the prison. Okay, so I hope that you can see we can work with a chart and we can do a lot of things. Okay, for example, maybe I can show you another one that I will update the query using more complicated queries. Okay, so maybe it's not so nice, but it's okay. You can show it again like this. Okay. Okay. So maybe you may want to know, because in the area that has the very high number of the confirmed cases is in the Bangkok metropolitan area that consists of 6 provinces. So I'll change this one, uh, and then I will copy, duplicate the chart again, and then I will add more provinces here. The way that you can add more provinces, because we need to be like in Bangkok or in Pathum Thani or in Samut Prakan or in Samut Sakhon or in Nakhon Pathom. So I will add it here. Guys, look at this. We will use this one, this keyword or, and then put everything in a list here. Okay, so the first one is Krungthep Mahanakhon, right? The second one, oh sorry, the second one is, oh sorry, Samut Prakan. Okay, maybe your cursor maybe it misplaced because you have the vowel. Okay, Samut Prakan, and then Samut Sakhon. Okay, and then Samut Sakhon and Nakhon Pathom. and then Nonthaburi. Okay, กรุงเทพมหานครสมุทรปราการสมุทรสาครนครปฐมนนทบุรี okay, and sorry, the next one is Pathum Thani. Yes, that's all. So once you click here, and then you see that your chart is updating, and here please wait for a moment, and then this is a summation of all provinces here. I will use Bangkok metropolitan area, and then you can use the series using the province of isolation to be the categories here. So you can drop the province of isolation here, and now you will see your chart will be like this. Yes, so you can see that this is the chart of the Bangkok metropolitan area that consists of 6 provinces. So that's all. So I hope that you can see and you can work and you can apply your PyMongo. You can connect everything together. That is the goal of this class. So I hope you enjoy it, and then we'll go to the next topics.